Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well. We are going to continue with our pitch practice. Let's start with some review. We've worked so far on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a major scale. That's a little high. Let's just sing a little bit together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do a teeny bit of review. I'll do a short line and you sing it back. So I'll sing 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 4, 3, 4, 4, 3, 5, 3, 1, 5, 3, 1. Great. Now, I want to give you a little test. See how much you're starting to get this. This is kind of tricky, so it's okay if you get it wrong, but just the important thing is to try. So I'm going to sing, let's say 3 notes, and I want you to tell me what numbers they are. So if I sing, that would be 1, 2, 3. I'll do another one. 1, 2, 1. You can also try to sing it along or after me and see if that helps you figure out what the numbers are. Let's do a couple more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1. Let's do one more. 1, 2, 1, 2. Great. It's totally okay if you're not getting that yet. Just keep working at it. So what I want to do today is we're not going to do 6 or 7 yet. Instead, we're going to use a different 3. So we've been doing a major scale and we're going to do a minor scale. In the minor scale, the 3 is a different pitch. So the 1 and the 5 always stay the same. 2, 3, 4, 6, and 7 can change. Today we're going to change 3. There's only 2 choices. There's major, which goes the one we've been doing, and there's minor, which we're going to learn right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See how that 3 sounds a little different? Everything else is the same, only the 3 changes. Try singing it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So let's do a little call and response to help you start to get to know this scale. I'll sing first. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3. 5, 4, 3. 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 3, 2. 1, 3, 2. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 5, 3. 5, 3. 2, 1. 2, 1. So that's a little introduction to the minor scale. You can try to play with that at home and see if you can go back and forth, sing the major and then the minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Or minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. So what I want to do today is write a song. We're going to do it a little bit different. The first thing we're going to do is imagine a movie scene. Because you know, in movies, there's almost always music happening. And it creates a lot of the feeling, the emotions of the movie. So I want you to imagine something. It could be really exciting, it could be really scary, it could be really sad, it could be funny. Imagine some kind of scene. So that's the first thing that you would like to put music to. And then imagine, once you have the kind of scene in your head, imagine what kind of music there might be. And I want you to specifically, we're not going to write words today, we're going to imagine we're an instrument. So you might imagine you're a flute, which is a pretty high sound, or a trumpet that's loud and powerful, or a bassoon, or a tuba, or a piano, or xylophone, or a violin, or a bass, or anything that instrument that you know and can imagine would be nice. So imagine a scene, and then imagine an instrument, and we're going to write some instrumental music for this scene. And let's use the minor scale that we just learned. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So that's actually a good thing you can do if you're about to write and you're just getting to know this scale. Just start at the very beginning by singing that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that'll kind of put you in the mood and get those sounds in your head so that it'll be a little bit easier to write with. So, with that in mind, you can write your own song. It doesn't have to be long, it can be nice and short, but something music that sounds like it would go with your scene. So let me give you an example. I thought of one this morning. Using the minor scale. Oh yeah, I wanted to say, it doesn't have to be the minor scale. You could write this in the minor or the major. Usually major is more of a kind of upbeat, happy sound, and minor is a little bit slower, but music doesn't really have any rules. You can do whatever you want. So I decided to do a slow one in minor, since that's what we learned today. And my scene was, it's really early morning, almost right before the sun comes up. The sun's just starting to come up. It's getting a teeny bit light, and it's somewhere really cold, like in the Arctic. And the cameras are way up high, like in a plane or a helicopter flying over this really desolate, stark land. Early in the morning, it's really quiet, but really beautiful in that kind of icy, cold, snowy way. So here's my song. It's a little bit longer, but we're going to look today at how, even though it's longer, it's actually just kind of repeats itself in a certain way that we're going to learn in some of our other videos. So I decided to be an oboe. An oboe is a reed instrument, which means when you play it, there's a little piece of wood that vibrates that you blow into. It's a little bit like a clarinet, high pitch, and it's a really beautiful sound. Not quite as sweet as the flute, with a little bit more nasal, kind of nice, strong energy. I'm not going to try to sing like an oboe, but that's what I'm imagining in my head with this song. So it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. So that's the little song I wrote. It just uses the 5 pitches of the minor scale we learned. And I want to show you, I decided to write it out in music, so I can show you kind of what it looks like when this stuff is written out in music notation. So the very first note up by that treble clef, I hope that you can see my mouse here. I'll kind of point. That's 1. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2. Now notice, what happens is that I just repeat what I did for the first two measures. I repeat it again. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. So I just wanted to, here I'll come back. I just wanted to show you kind of what that looks like. You can start to see how musical notation looks. Eventually we'll get into learning how to write, but first we need to learn how to speak. And speaking is learning all of these pitches and how to use them and getting really familiar and comfortable with them so that you can make your own songs and sing the songs of others. So I encourage you to write your own song, major or minor. Imagine a movie scene, imagine an instrument that you want to be, electric guitar, it could be a trombone, it could be anything you want, and then write a nice short little instrumental piece with those pitches that sounds like it would go with that scene. And if you want, you can record it and send it to me, and I'll write it out in music form and send it to you. All you have to do is sing it into your phone and send it to me, and I'll send you back the music. So thank you very much. That's our lesson today for pitch, and I hope you join me for our lesson in rhythm and the song that we're going to learn this week. See you next time.